So we're going to be going outside with my dog. Come on, Dallas. Hey, actually, let's go over here.
Congratulations, you've been chosen to teach summer school.
Say hi, Dallas. Say hi to my dog, guys. I guess I'm never sure. Hello. So, wow.
Buffalo, this is Brett Michaels of Poison, and you're listening to my friends.
I'm gonna go and take my dog. Let's go. Come on, let's go, Dallas. Ooh, there's leaves. Let's go. Ooh, so crunchy. Wow, that's really crunchy. They've been waiting after all the years. These leaves have been waiting for so long to crunch. But finally, this day, somebody has been crunching them. And her name is Aria. Let's go. Dallas, hop back over those grass. Oh my god, that's really crunchy. Oh, that was crunchy. It's kind of cold outside. Should have brought a jacket.
Broke it.
Huh?
He broke it.
God, I want to put my phone here, but I don't want it to fall. Let's put my phone right here. Yeah, like that. Like that.
That's a neat spot.
Wait, my phone! I'm back for you guys. Ah! I'm back for you guys. Yes! That was so fun! Oh my god. Sorry guys. Sorry, my dog keeps on pulling. So I'm gonna put you guys back right here.
When you're like right around the corner, you really need that. Yeah, right? You come back. No, I need it for fires. It's about to start getting cold and we're gonna have fires out here.
Adios! Goodbye, guys.
Wiggle that. Wiggle the whole pole right here. There you go. You got it.
Back for you guys. My dog just got really hurt. So I'm gonna pull. So I'm gonna take him inside. Oh, never mind. He wants to still be out here. Well, I know it's only 7 minutes long, but bye guys.